I am Lori Newmark. I teach STEAM here at Oakridge Elementary, kindergarten through 6th grade. I taught 5th grade my very first year, and then I taught 3rd grade for about 17 years. And then I taught 4th grade for about 5 to 7 years. And then I moved to STEAM when STEAM opened. We are very engaged in here. We like to question each other. We like to find multiple ways to solve things, and that's hard for some kids because they want a black or white answer. And we don't have that in here. And so we really just say it's okay to solve it a different way. And that's hard, but it's also fun. And it's also good to see that, oh, they're just as happy as they are, even though they did it different. Some of them have to really persevere more than others, and that's fun too. But once they get it and they go, it works, that is the reward, just seeing them say, I finally figured it out. So just being engaged and making things meaningful too. Why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this because what if, and then go on and start talking. And then they go, oh, my dad or my mom, and that's great, finding out more about their families along with what they do and just learning about them. All of us being engaged in hands-on projects, but also talking and just learning about each other and what we're doing. I started a first Lego League with our team 2 years ago at our school, and those families and kids have been amazing. We have a great little group. Last year we had 1 team, this year we were able to make 2. So we have 10 kids on each team, but then that means all their families are involved too. So the competitions, we're all just one big group of Oakridge families together, and the principal came and watched, and she had no idea. The parents stay all day long with us. And, they bring us snacks, they bring us lunch, they support us, and that right there, them, I would catch them taking pictures from behind, and I'm like, oh, let me get out of here. No, I want a picture of you helping them. That's what I want to see. And I'm like, oh, how nice, So the families are great support, and we couldn't do it without the families, and that's community also. Thank you to everyone. There's no way I could do this job without the children. I mean, they're why we're here. Their love for learning, and the parents help support that. I could not make that happen without them. The support from everybody is just encouraging. It's motivating to keep trying to do new things and not just stay from 8 to 5. We put a lot of extra time in it, but it wouldn't be worth it if the kids weren't learning and the parents weren't supporting us and all of us together.